today we're off to the
Highlands road trip.
Let's go.
So we drove for about an hour to Stirling, Scotland,
Which
where
is
this monument is
considered the gateway to the Highlands, and it was also a strategic point and a very, very important point in Scottish history.
And that is why we're going to see this monument. This is gorgeous, and especially after watching Braveheart, which I have to say I only watched a part of it. If you watch our last vlog, you'll know we watched that. This is so cool now actually being here, and also how it's such a theatrical movie, but same as reading us a history book in the car, and so like the things that went on here were insane.
Insane history here. And the second you learn about it, you become so patriotic. I'm so like, Scotland now. So this is the Wallace Monument, built in honor of William Wallace, who is known for fighting against the English and defeating Edward I in 1297 here in Stirling, which essentially paved the way for the Scottish independence after the Battle of Bannockburn in 1314, led by Robert the Bruce. You might also know William Wallace, this tragic, iconic hero of Scotland, as Braveheart from the 1995 movie with Mel Gibson. Dave, what do you think of this landscape?
Oh my gosh. And we got the tunes, like...
We got the Red Hot Chili Pipers.
This is insane!
Wow.
It's so gorgeous.
This is simply jaw-dropping.
Gorgeous.
This is crazy.
Like,
we're so lucky to be doing this.
So, we have made it to our next location on the road trip.
Which has been stunning.
And this has been something I was very excited to see as soon as Sam told us that it was a part of it.
Even when you were a kid, you would talk about seeing this.
Yes, and so this is
the Glenfinnan Viaduct.
Which is the bridge that's in the Harry Potter #2. Just the scene where Ron and Harry are in the car and they're going over the train to
the Chamber of
Hogwarts.
Secrets, yeah.
There's that beautiful bridge and stunning scenery. That's here.
That's right here.
You can see it. I want to get the best view in the house, but it's a bit wet. We should have worn our Tevas, Keith.
Oh no.
Oh well.
Oh, that's that. Our shoes are not wet. Don't take us outside. We can't get anything done out here.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
Look at this view.
Doesn't look real.
These are nice. What do you think of this view, Dev?
Incredible. I said when you were droning, this is the best view I've ever had for lunch.
Yeah, this is one of those top views in our lives. Also, this topography, this landscape, I have to say is up there in terms of the best landscape we've seen on our trip so far. This is just truly stunning.
What about the company? Oh, that too.
Who? made it to the Jacobite Monument here in Glenfinnan.
And we just got to say the museum's actually closed, but Sam has been filling us in on a lot of the history.
We've been reading the history in the car too. It's been phenomenal.
It's so interesting and again so cool how much history is here. This monument is the Jacobite Monument, and it is dedicated to the clansmen who followed Prince Charles in the rising of the Stuarts. So trying to bring back Scotland monarchy, I think, was the idea, but it was unsuccessful.
Jeez, look at these views, eh?
This is insanity. Also, look up the history because it's very interesting.
Oh, Scotland's history is phenomenal. All right, back to the car. We're going back to Glencoe area, right? First, we're stopping somewhere though. Morrison's in Fort William, isn't it? Back to where we came, towards Glencoe. We made it to our destination and our home for the night.
We are staying in the middle of the Highlands at a ski hill in
Glencoe Resort Mountain.
what did they call the place we're staying? Like a Hobbit home?
It's called a Hobbit.
We have no, like Steve and Sam have, like, this is incredible. I have no words to like how thankful I am for the experience.
Yeah, I mean, we would never be
us.
able to experience this sort of thing.
And we wouldn't know about it. Yeah, like this is so cool. And so we have to go show you what we're staying tonight.
This over here
Let's go.
is a Hobbit.
So here's our spear-shaped Hobbit home. You come inside this lovely circle. I've never stayed in a circle before. There's a seating area outside. Then you come in, our food area. We've got a bed here, and then a double bed here. So perfect for the four of us. And that's our, and there's even electricity. Wow, we didn't think there'd be electricity. And now to our dining room. And our kitchen. Best kitchen views ever. So we're gonna chill at our lovely dining room and make some dinner with Sam and Steve.
So nice.
Cheers.
To the Highlands, to Scotland, to you guys. Thank you so much.
This is amazing.
Another thing I really wanted to do here in Scotland is to have whiskey, Scotch whiskey. So we got some. Thank you very much. We got the Ardmore Highlands single malt Scotch whiskey, and we're in the Highlands. So, what more could you ask for here?
You'd only call a whiskey a Scotch if it was distilled in Scotland, and if it was distilled over
3 years.
3 years.
Yeah, it has to be in the barrel for 3 years. Before
3 years.
To be honest, that was a perfect amount for me. The
Just the
rest
one
is
sip?
for you, yeah. Tastes a bit like smoke mixed with a burn in your throat. Like fire, except not.
It's an acquired taste.
We are now off to go to a pub to see some live music here in the Highlands, and don't worry, Sammy has been drinking 0%.
Yes, she is our DD for this evening. Thank you, Sammy.
Beers getting kind of loud. I reckon it's gonna help me out. My true love can never meet again. On the bonny house of Bloopers.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is our coffee contraption. It is working though.
It's Dev's genius.
So we're gonna have coffee. How are you doing, Keith?
Oh, I'm doing good. I'm doing very good. Nice breeze today. Last night was phenomenal. Jeez, these Scottish people know how to have a good time, how to listen to music and drink beer. Little Demon Devon, how you
A
feeling?
successful coffee making experience. Check. So now I'm happy. I have coffee. Slash, I was happy before because it's so beautiful. So now I'm even happier.
You sleep well too?
I slept excellent, actually. Yeah.
You guys?
Yeah.
And we're off again to the next adventure. Today we're going to the Isle of Mull.
That's right. We're going to Oban, and then we're taking a ferry to Tobermory.
All these Canadian names.
I know, really, huh?
A quick little detour on our drive to Oban to see a view. So we'll go check it out. made it to Oban and it's beautiful coastal town.
Oban is where we're taking the ferry to the Isle of Mull. I was wrong, we're not going to Tobermory, we're actually ferrying to Craignar, and then we'll go to explore Tobermory and Isle of Mull. This town is adorable.
So amazing.
And since we're seaside, and I'm hungry, what am I getting?
The classic fish and chips.
I think so.
And I'm gonna eat some of your
It's a
chips.
good call. Check this town out though. Let's get some food. Can't get better than this in terms of view, eh? Environment. Amazing.
So I forgot to fill my food because I was way too hungry, but I got soup in a cup and a toasty with gluten-free bread. So win-win.
And I ate all my fish and chips and now I feel like
We gotta go though to catch our ferry. Sam and Steve are leaving.
ferry time.
Still eating my soup. Chocolate.
Where'd you get that from?
I've been carrying it in my wallet for emergencies.
We need a little pick-me-up.
Yeah, everyone's falling asleep on this ferry, so chocolate time. Let's top, but we couldn't see it.
You're huge.
We're just missing a flying car.
Yeah. Oh, but there's a flying drone. Yeah, go on this stuff and it's better. I think right here is good, no?
I want to be a wham-wham, but I'm being a wham-wham.
You're always a wah-wah.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Where are you going?
I thought we were going to go over here and take a... Go on without me. I have to amputate my leg.
I literally thought we were taking a picture here.
That's why I was being a bit reactive because I thought we had to go all the way over there. No. We didn't have to, and so I just walked double the distance in puddles.
Keep going, Keith. Keep going.
I hate it. I hate Scotland.
Keith, you're blocking my view,
Oh
mate.
my god. Do you want me to be in the shot? Or?
Okay, now.
Wow. Would you look at that? Just look at it.
Tight timeline. Steve's like, we're going.
Come on, come on. Got her up.